Water harvesting. What are we going to understand in this topic today? We will be able to 1. Understand what is water harvesting, 2. Know the benefits of rainwater harvesting, and 3. Learn about 3 different techniques of rainwater harvesting. To begin with, what is water harvesting? Let us wear a thinking cap and understand water harvesting. Have you ever tried to collect water before running out of it? How do you do that? What if I tell you that now collect water for everyone? Can you do that? How? Water harvesting term is close to the same thing that we all have thought about, but in a very larger context. Let us check out. The term water harvesting is usually taken to mean immediate collection of rainwater running off surfaces upon which it has fallen directly. This excludes runoff from land watersheds into streams, rivers, lakes, etc. Hence, it is catching of rainwater when it falls and storing to use during the non-raining season. Now, why do we need rainwater harvesting? Simple, because there are variations in water availability. It is never unlimited. To overcome water shortage, to meet our demands, to conserve and increase storage of groundwater, and to increase agriculture production. Remember, with reducing groundwater levels and changeable climate conditions, rainwater harvesting can go a long way to help lessen the water scarcity issue. We have understood the what and the why part. Now let us understand the how part. What are the different techniques of rainwater harvesting? Let us check out. 1. Surface runoff, 2. Rooftop, and 3. Drain. Let us check about each one of them. First one talks about surface runoff harvesting. Here the runoff water is collected from gardens, driveways, landscapes, open fields, parks, roads and pavements and other open areas of the environment that can be used to harvest the rainwater runoff. Using this method, it is possible to collect water from a larger area. This is particularly advantageous in areas of low rainfall. The second technique talks about rooftop harvesting. In rooftop harvesting, the roof becomes the catchment and the rainwater is collected from the roof of the house or the building. It can be stored in a tank. This method is less expensive and very effective, and if implemented properly, helps in increasing the groundwater level of the area. The third technique talks about rainwater harvesting. This includes pipes and gutters that can be made of PVC or metal. Mostly PVC is used. How does it help? It helps to collect and transfer water to the storage tank through those pipes.
Now that you have understood about all the 3 techniques, let us watch a short video which will explain you nicely about how the water harvesting is done.
Rainwater harvesting. About 75% of Earth's surface is covered with water. However, the amount of usable water is very small. A growing population, growing industries and agriculture practices need a lot of water. The huge consumption of water is causing reduction of available water. We need to think about variety of ways to save and conserve our water resources. Do you think such actions will help in conserving water? Definitely not. However, such actions will definitely help in conserving water. One of the very important preventive measures for conservation is rainwater harvesting. Basically, water comes on the surface with rain and gets collected in rivers, which ultimately flows into the ocean, which means that the usable water is lost in the ocean. Rainwater harvesting is all about catching and collecting that rainwater and prevent it from flowing into the ocean. Now, how do we do rainwater harvesting? Let us check out some methods. One of the methods is surface runoff rainwater harvesting. In this method, rainwater flows away as surface runoff and can be stored for future use. Surface water can be stored by diverting the flow of small creeks and streams into reservoirs on the surface or underground. It can provide water for farming, for cattle, and also for domestic use. Another method is rooftop rainwater harvesting. During rainy season, the rainwater collected in rooftop can be transferred to storage tank through pipe. Often the rainwater contains soil particles and other impurities. In such cases, water should be filtered to remove these impurities. Water stored in storage tanks can be used to fulfill our water needs. Instead of storage tanks, water can also be transferred to a pit into the ground from where it seeps into the soil. The seeped water gets added to the groundwater and so the level of groundwater increases. In both the ways, we prevent water from flowing away. Another method is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater falling in roads get collected in drains. The drains can be modified so that water entering into them gets seeped directly into the soil, or this water can be collected in storage structures such as wells. So I hope you understood this video very well. Thank you for watching. We were able to learn what is water harvesting, know the benefits of rainwater harvesting, and also we learned about 3 different techniques of rainwater harvesting. Thank you and happy learning.